Nigga, get up in your tent. Girl, you know you blast from your head down to your nail. See your nail. Body like a sanctuary.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing.
It's almost like I'm addicted to your amazing gracious. Just keep me here to come up for your sanctuary.
I believe in angels.
You say these are one of the best wigs that I ever styled. Like what? Period. Guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. Come back at you with another tutorial. I am getting out there, baby. I'm throwing these tutorials at you. Also, I did want to know if there's something that you wanted specifically, you guys want specifically for me to do. I know y'all want a clothing haul, but I'm really trying to go down some more so that y'all can really see my little boo daddy. If y'all want any more videos, let me know, so drop below. But let me know in the comment section below. This hair is sponsored by DIVASWIGS, y'all. This is like one of the best wigs I had so far. Like, can y'all see that? I had my mama fix it because man, it's like boo boo, okay? But the way I flattened it and everything, it came out so pretty. It looks very nice. Like, this is for me. If I had some braids up on here, because I don't have enough braids, something in the back. But if I had some braids on here, this would be like an everyday wig for me. Baby hairs, but I definitely will show y'all what I did to achieve this look. Y'all like the wig? Do y'all like this wig? It's like I'm matching like the bag, like luxury. I don't know specifically the wig, but everything will be in the description right below. It comes constructed, so all you have to do is basically bleach the lace parts and construct it like as far as plucking, styling it, and things of that nature. Oh yeah, it also came with a brush, y'all. Like, this was so pretty. And this is 100% human hair. Human hair, y'all. Human hair. Nothing but human hair. So then, I'll see you guys on the next one. But if you want to see how she just look, continue to watch. This is burgundy. Both of these burgundy shades. So this is the only color that y'all will be seeing because the other colors gonna be brown. And these colors gonna be blended either. What? This is a 167 for Morphe. I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette. And I'm gonna grab this shade right here. 2-1. They get the Blue Blood collection packaging. It's a whole damn coffin, bitch. I'm dead. I'm gonna grab this orangey shade right here. So I'm gonna grab my Inglot gel liner in number 77. Put my lashes off camera and I'm gonna be back with basically the full face. So I went in with my Kat Von D Swanley pencil under the eye. That was a brush from It Cosmetics, but it was just like a regular brush from this Crystal collection, I think. So this one is a E18 and it's just a smudger brush to get right in that lower lash line. So I'm going to take this shade and this one. Morphe E3 and I'm about to dust everything off. My Mimi in my crayon case. Hello y'all. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that motherfucking highlight. Crayon case, bitch. Super bitch. Come through with this motherfucker. I don't know. I love this stuff. This is the NYX Skinny Mascara. Everybody keep asking. So I'm not bronzing today, I'm just contouring. Okay. Veil, y'all, to line my lips. I don't know, I don't have a lot of, I got lip liners, but I don't know, for some reason I get more twitchy. It's like Let's Cuddle. It's like a peachy nude kind of shade. Perfect combination. Oh, this goes right with it. Some more glow, because I want some more glow. I'm about to take this Fenty. This is Body Lava, y'all. Looks so pretty. And I want to do my brows off camera, and I'm gonna come right back.